right, guys, good morning. Today I'm going to do a recap today on trades that I took today and what I was watching today, and essentially what my thoughts were as I took trades and as I was watching stuff at the open. So I'm just going to start off um, with my watch list. I was mainly watching DAL, BABA, um, AMD, and those were my three tickers that I was looking to play today. I'll start off with the first trade that I took on DAL. Let me go ahead and just actually let me go here and link that and link this chart as well. So my first position on DAL was a short. I saw that we were exhibiting weakness on the 2-minute chart. Let me actually just move over to the open. We were exhibiting these wicks and this low volume on this push up, and then we formed this wick. And then I thought, okay, maybe once we lose VWAP, I take a position. So we lost VWAP. I didn't take the position right away because I wasn't very convinced yet. And then we started to move up, and then more sell orders came in. So I took a position here, and I put my stop kind of high. Put it at because I was looking for a bigger move, and I didn't want to get stop out against VWAP since when I took the short, it didn't actually touch VWAP to the penny. It came down, and then I entered, and then it came back up, and then it retested VWAP, and then went short from there. So if I would have waited a little longer, it would have been a better short. But it ended up in a break-even loss anyways. Once I saw that the volume had dropped down so low, I thought that this position wasn't even worth staying in anymore, as the L2 wasn't showing any bids that were popping up, and there weren't any ass popping up anyways. But I would have gotten the stop out on the position anyways here. And you just see that price action has been kind of weird on BAL, and the volume has just been really bad. So that was my break-even trade on DAL. On AMD, I was looking at it for a possible retest of 100, and we had bounced off of it nicely at S4, so I was definitely long biased on it. My issue with this is that I couldn't find an area to enter. I didn't take a long here, and then once we started popping up, I was hoping for a retest here of this level before taking it long. But then we started popping up above R3, and then we were at R4, and we looked like we were stalling. So I sort of flipped my position, and I was sitting waiting for a reversal, and then we popped up above it, and I didn't take a position here because I just felt like this would be too tight of a stop. But it just ended up trending really nicely. It might be on the verge of a reversal right now as we speak, but I'm not interested in taking any more positions today. I'm just not really having a good feel for the market overall. So I didn't touch AMD, unfortunately, but my final trade was on BABA, which I actually would have shorted had it not been on short selling restriction. I liked how we were popping up above VWAP here, and we sort of held VWAP. The volume just started increasing. So I was looking at it for a position. We showed some weakness here, and then we kind of lost volume on this move down, bounced off the 9 EMA. I didn't really see a lot of orders come in, so I kind of waited a little bit longer than I should have. But then I took a position at a 1-minute high, set my stop right below this, which is actually quite a wide stop. It was a $1.07 stop. So my 3R target would have been around 80.57. I was hoping we would get there and possibly more. It was going to be an all-out move for me since I didn't really have the confidence in this volume here, and the L2 wasn't showing anything. It's like we were moving up very, very slowly. We were getting these wicks coming in, selling coming in, and then candles would close, but they weren't closing on great volume. And then we had a really big ask at 80, and then we kind of hit it, and then we stalled. And then the reason for my exit at 1.6R here was because I was holding the position to see if we could get that move. Nothing was popping up on the L2, and then a lot of sell orders come in, like a lot. Like there were so many that was like it filled up, 3/4 of my L2 from what you can see here. So I cut the position off, which was the right move, and I netted 1.6R on that move overall. So overall, I had a break-even trade, 1.6R on BABA. Not really having a good feel for the market. BABA was on short selling restrictions, so I definitely would have taken a short here with the orders that came in, and it would have been a really nice short as it's looking right now. Possibly a move all the way down to 73, maybe S4. But unfortunately, that didn't happen because it's on SSR. But I'm happy with my management on the trade. I'm happy that I was able to get a 1.6R out of this dry day, and I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not going to try and force anything. second green day in a row live trading, and I'm happy with that. So I'm going to continue the progress, and hopefully we have a more exciting day tomorrow and the rest of the week. So thanks for watching my recap of my trades. Please subscribe to my channel and like and comment any feedback that you may have, any suggestions you may have, so I can make these videos more informative for anybody that watches them. Thank you so much, and talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.